Opo. I don't talk say this guy go comot here. Which kind gate man be this like this? Opo. Now today I go sack you. Hey! Opo.
Sir.
This man! Hey! God have mercy upon us.
Opo.
Sir.
Jay, you know say I don dey outside pass 1 hour now.
No, sir, I'm active.
Before I go inside, come back, pack your load, comot this house. Before I go inside, come back, pack your load o.
But I've been active now. No be nana, just close am.
God have mercy upon us.
Omo,
Sir.
you are still there. Before I reach that place now, go pack your load, make you comot there.
Okay, no problem.
Pack your load and leave this house.
Oga, but before I go, that yellow lady wey carry come here yesterday, I go first go tell madam first before I go pack my things. Before I go first tell madam first.
Opo, come here. You see that woman yesterday?
I see her.
No worry.
Now
You na good boy now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Share.
Opo.
For you. Oga me. Now you are
No. Opo.
Yes, sir. I can balance now. I fit sleep anyhow.
Why you stingy like this? Why I go dey post video always? You know they like, you know they subscribe. Abeg, subscribe. As you subscribe now you die. Thank you.